Hey everyone, Will with the RV Wholesaler Service Department here. Today I'm going to be going over how to operate your power antenna here. So what you do is these units don't actually lift up off the unit anymore. All it is a small boomerang shaped object on the unit. It is powered from your control over here. When you go over here, it says rotate to travel. So you're going to want to position it that direction when you do move. It's not going to hurt anything if you don't do it. It's just kind of aerodynamic, so it helps flow through the wind. So whenever you do get your channel search going, some channels generally are going to be pretty fuzzy depending on where you're at. What you do is you just rotate this ever so slightly by lifting and turning. And what you do is that's kind of going to change the direction of the antenna to help you get your channels a little bit better, try to get that fuzziness out. Once you are done with it, and you got to leave, obviously, you're just going to follow this and raise the rotate the travel. You're going to turn it all the way to the left like so. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494.